Hey guys, so in the last session, we have seen how we install Hashicorp Vault in local distros and the local servers, whereas in the Kubernetes too. So right now, what we're gonna talk about is more of secrets. The main thing which we have it in our vault. So what we gonna learn is more of an overview to the secrets, the key value secret engine, which is one of a more popular, or I would say one of the most used secret engines in the HashiCorp vaults, and the secrets command, which we gonna talk. Now, in the overview, let me first of all tell what is secret. As we discussed earlier, it's most of the uh, sensitive information, personally identity information, which we can find in an organization while communicating with human to human or human to machine resource. These kind of informations, credentials, or the data or the information would be considered as in secrets. So the secrets are of two type. One is the static secret in HashiCorp Vault, and one is the dynamic secrets. So let's suppose we had this username, password, email as in data, which is there in the memcache or need to be refreshed uh, in a specific interval, but not as in explicitly means expire. So until unless you until unless you explicitly revoke it or destroy it. Other than that, it won't expire. That's why it's called as static. So, and ahead of its time, it can going to be shared. Please remember that the information which is stored, rather than it's a secret or the dynamic way, it would be encrypted in that manner. Now, when we talk about dynamic secret, it actually enforce the leasing of a secret. That means when we use the word lease, it means it has a start to end duration. That means it would expire at certain level of time. Now, if it expired at that point of moment, you won't be able to access it. So that is a thing which we need to consider while having a what we say classification, or while deciding what's the type of secret we're gonna use in the while storing it. So yeah, that was static in the dynamic thing. Most of the secret engine which we use in static one is the key value secret engine, and that is why we are going to talk about it. It's one of the simplest way to actually have it aware. So while running the Vault in the dev mode, which we have done in the earlier session. So the key value secret engine actually gets enabled with the path secret, right? So if let's suppose you are storing a secret, so the path would be secret slash the secret name, the key name to that uh, path. So once you click that, at point of moment, you will get the value of that particular generic key value. So this is a way of key value secret engine, and it's work like the same which we had. It more similar to the non-RDBMS thing. So you just need to specify the key; it would fetch you the value. So in that manner, it works. So the secrets written to the vault are very encrypted, and again written in the backend of the storage. So whatever your storage backend is, it's gonna be in the secret manner, in the encrypted manner. So that mechanism again works, but you can't see it in a naked eye. So I would say the whole backend encryption mechanism works in a backend manner. So whenever you fetch or whenever you put the data, at both of the time you would be seeing the unencrypted value. So, but when you fetch it from the storage backend. At that point of moment, it's gonna be the encrypted data. Now, when we say key value secret engine, at that point of moment, again we had two versions, version 1 and version 2. The generic difference between these two versions is that in version 2 you would be having a versioning of the secrets. So let's suppose on a timestamp A you have put a value of x as an v. So and then you have updated it at certain amount of time to w. So at that point of moment, what happened is that you can actually see the versioning that at what time these things actually worked upon. So it actually works in a same manner like as in GitHub thing, as in Git versioning strategy. To use this key value secret engine, you just need to actually have a syntax of vault kv, then the sub command, whether to put, read, or get. So you just or delete. So you just need these syntax to actually work on it. So now in the demo, what we gonna be using is, first of all, we'll put a secret in the key vault or the vault area with a key values storage engine. Then we gonna read it, and then we'll have a metadata too. And then what we gonna do is we gonna delete it too. Okay, so we'll get it started. So you have seen this. There is no value found at the secret, right? So now what we gonna do is vault kv put mount equal to secret foo. Now you have seen this. Now the path, if you can see secret data foo, right? The same point of moment you see the metadata with a key value secret engine. So there is a created time, there is a custom metadata if you have done so, deletion time, destroyed, and the version. Since I have told you that in the dev mode, the default version or default key vault secret engine is the version 2, which enables the provisioning. So that would be here again. If I want to actually get the data, so I'll just do vault kv get secret. If I do so, then what I'll get it is the metadata and the data value. So it was bar this. Now, if I want to put again, it will again update, but at the same point of moment, the version would be 2, right? So let's see. Yes. Now, what if I want the value of version 1? How can I get that? So what I need to do is vault kv get mount secret version equal to 1 for the foo. Sorry, my bad. So you can see this, even though the current value of bar is bags, again, it giving you the bags. So this was done for put get values. Let's delete it now. Now it has been deleted. Now, if you want to fetch it, this is the deletion time now. So there is no value as such. So this was all for the command section. We had shown you the putting secrets, the getting of it, and the deletion. So that was all for as of now. But In the next session, what we're gonna do is we're gonna talk about the secret engines. So this was a key value secret engine, but at the same point of moment, there are multiple secret engine which we can have it as in the plugins. Thank you.